Hello, I am Rajesh Jamwal, a passionate psychologist and career counselor with over 25 years of rich experience in academics, corporate, and HR consulting. Holding a master's degree in psychology and certified as a global career counselor in psychotherapy, I am currently pursuing PhD in career counseling. At Vivekanand Business School, I proudly serve as the head of corporate relations and placements, driven by a single mission. Together, we shape brighter futures. At VBS, we are not just an academic institution. We are a launchpad for careers. With my extensive background in psychology and counseling, I lead a dedicated placement cell that empowers students to reach their full potential. By combining psychological insights with advanced counseling techniques, I design, develop, and deliver employability workshops, build strong corporate ties, and provide tailored guidance to our PGDM students throughout their career journeys. Each year, VBS welcomes over 350 leading companies for placements and summer internship, spanning a diverse range of industries. These opportunities offer students invaluable real-world exposure and a chance to secure high-profile roles in some of the most prestigious organizations. Companies such as JP Morgan, Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, Nomura, Zomato, Amazon, Flipkart, ICICI Bank, Britannia, Nestle India, and many more such renowned organizations recognize the unique value VBA students bring to the table, which are strong academic foundations, polished communication skills, and exceptional problem-solving abilities. Our summer internship program is a pivotal step in this journey, giving students hands-on experience to apply their learning in professional environment while building industry expertise. How do we consistently achieve such remarkable results? At VBS, we embrace a learning by doing approach to education. Beyond academics, we emphasize practical experiences that builds essential skills and provides deep industry insights. Through hands-on training programs, mock interviews, and frequent industry interactions, we ensure that our students are well prepared to excel in today's competitive professional world. Over the years, I have successfully built partnerships with 500 plus companies, achieving near 100% placements year after year. This consistent success stems from a shared commitment to excellence, innovation, and personalized mentoring. Our goal is simple: to inspire, coach, and secure meaningful opportunities for the next generation of professionals at VBS. By blending academic rigor, personal mentorship, and corporate engagement, we ensure every student is set on a path to success.